Want to learn CSS in just a few minutes? Stay with me on the Dev and Why. So let's have a look. What CSS does to our simple web page. So let me uncomment that, save, and there you go. You have the new background, new style, and everything. We remove CSS. This is how bare HTML looks like. So CSS stands for the Cascading Style Sheets, and it's responsible how your website looks and feels. It's responsible from things like fonts, colors, background colors, layouts of the page, responsiveness of the page, and many more. So let's dive to example. Right now we have a simple HTML page, and I will just link our CSS file to that page. There's a few ways how you can do that. You can do it inline within the HTML page, but we will do it like a more or less proper way with external CSS file. So let me uncomment that line, save it. So we have this link rel style sheet href style CSS. This file stays in the same directory where HTML file is. It's over here. So let's open that file, and we have here background powder blue. Let's change it to the dark cyan and save it. Now we have a new one. Let's change to IC. We have H4 white, save. Now we have a white header, and let's change it from the black, I don't know, dark green, save it, light green, or just green. Light would work better. That's much better. We have an external file, and the style of this file is basically what we are selecting. So this is selectors. We're selecting body, so everything under the body, we come back to the HTML file, everything under our body, which is starting from over here and goes until the closing body tag. We wanna add the parameters inside the curly braces, background color, semicolon, and the value. Value could be like actual name of the colors, or could be in RGB this value, or could be even something like this, like FF. I think it's a hex color. Stands, yeah, just like a specific value. Let's go back to our previous value, dark cyan. Now we selecting the next value. So cascading style sheets means it's going up from top and down to the bottom. So whatever you style at the bottom will be overwriting the previous value. If you do the value of the color of the paragraph light green here, and you add another value over here, it will just overwrite it. Let's make it red. You see it's overwritten our value. So let's just like remove that. So what do we do here? We playing with the colors for H4 for the header. It's over here, and in HTML it's over here. We setting the value of the white, and for the P, which is all paragraphs, and all H4, which is this one. Sorry, this one. This is our paragraph. We set value of light green. The importance of CSS is pretty big one. It's actually responsible for everything you see on the website. Let's see how we can play with the CSS from the BBC website. Let's select this element, go to the styles, just this element, and we can see it uses this font family, Helvetica or few font family, and font weight is 400. What we can do is modify this value. There you go, font size modified, line head, and font family. and we can make it color red. Now you can see we modified this page, and we can go even further. We can change this value and make it color blue. As you can see right now, we modified link to the color blue for that particular element, and we added style on the top of the existing style. So we rewrote a cascading style sheet. That's one example of the value and importance of CSS. If I disable the CSS on the whole page, will be very simple looking like this one without any styles at all. And I've mentioned about the accessibility. So CSS is important for the accessibility. So a good website let's toggle this one. This shows us how we can see. This is mobile look, by the way. I think it's mobile look. Yeah, it's pretty much mobile look. And you can see like how the same website turns out from a desktop version to almost like mobile look. And now it's changed the style, and instead of the cursor I have kind of like a finger touch, and I still can interact with the website like I'm on a mobile device. Once I toggle it again, we will toggle the screen size, and now we're in sort of like a small desktop version. So all this done through the CSS. That's how CSS is powerful and can do a lot of stuff just to manage the way your page looks on the website. So this was a very brief overview how to learn CSS, basically foundations. Of course, if you want to grow more, just go on somewhere like MDN, as I like to mention all the time. Go to MDN, search for the CSS, try to learn it from there or any other resource, and keep practicing. The more practice you do, the better for your knowledge. If you feel this video was useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, bye.